Welcome to Tashkent Medical Academy, one of Uzbekistan's top medical university. If you dream of becoming a doctor and studying abroad, this video is for you. Tashkent Medical Academy established in 1990, and Tashkent Medical Academy has a rich history of nurturing medical talent, offering comprehensive program in medicine and healthcare. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Khan and I'm 5th student in Tashkent Medical Academy, Arganj branch. In this video, I will guide you through the complete admission process, eligibility criteria and document required for the admission in Tashkent Medical Academy main campus. Please watch this video till end, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends who want to take admission in Tashkent Medical Academy main campus. First of all, if we talk about the eligibility criteria for the admission in Tashkent Medical Academy main campus, student must complete higher school education 10 plus 2 and the minimum 50% score in 12th grade, and the age limit is 17 to 25 years. Meeting these requirements? Great. Let's move to the next step. If we talk about the document required for the admission process, these are 10th and 12th grade mark sheet, valid passport, passport size photo, and the NEET result card for the Indian students and medical fitness certificates. Make sure all these documents are cleared and properly scanned before apply. After paying your fees of $1,750 in Tashkent Medical Academy main campus account, invitation telex will be issued in 15 to 20 working days, and after that you have to apply for the visa at Uzbekistan embassy in your country. Once visa approved, book your ticket to Tashkent. University representative will welcome you at Tashkent airport and help you with the accommodation and the registration process. That's all about the admission process, and here is the one of most important question, like why you should choose Tashkent Medical Academy main campus. Tashkent Medical Academy is one of the best medical university in Uzbekistan. This is the top medical university, and this university is located in the capital city in Tashkent. This university has affordable fee structure and globally recognized degree, and this university is approved from WHO, MCI, PMDC, ECFMG, WFME as well. English medium education, advanced laboratories and practical training, safe and student-friendly environment. That's all about today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend who want to take admission in Tashkent Medical Academy main campus. Here my suggestion, don't wait, start your medical journey today and apply for Tashkent Medical Academy main campus. For admission details, contact us and our number is given on the screen. Thank you.